Welcome in, guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. Ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description box for you. Let's go ahead and get started. So as the title indicates, we are doing jollof rice and fried chicken. Now the fried chicken that I'm doing is Ghanaian style fried chicken, and I'm going to attempt to do it the way that my husband showed me. I've prepped all my veggies, and I'm now going in to saute my onion and adding some cayenne pepper. Onion has cooked down a bit, so I'm going to go ahead now and add in my tomato paste. I blended down my roasted vegetables. It yielded about 6 cups. And I'm simply going to go ahead now and add it to my onion mixture. I have my chicken cooking in a mixture of ginger and garlic. So in the next few frames, you'll see me adding in my seasonings. Mixing all of my seasonings in well, and I'm simply going to let this simmer for a bit before adding in my rice. I've removed my chicken from the steamer, and I've added it to my deep fryer for the remaining cooking time. Now, because I am using an electric stove, I'm basically letting this steam. I have it on a really low heat to try and keep it from burning on the bottom. And just like that, we are done. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video and a comment so that the algorithm can pick us up. I really would appreciate your help with that. Until next time, Yah willing, of course, we will see you on the next one. Shalom.